After his divorce, Big Smart took on the responsibility of raising his son alone. He finally got his son to sleep, but Tom and Jerry started fighting. Their noise woke up the baby. Big Smart warned Tom to be quiet. Jerry bit Tom's tail, causing a loud scream. Big Smart covered his son's ears. But Tom and Jerry's antics continued. Jerry hid under the doghouse, and Tom tried to catch him without making noise. Jerry led Tom into a trap, causing chaos with a trumpet. Big Smart angrily approached Tom. Jerry added more chaos with horns on Tom's feet. Tom kept chasing Jerry despite the noise. Big Smart discovered Tom's antics. He asked Tom to remove the horns. Tom accidentally landed in front of Big Smart and his son, miraculously curing their hiccups. Grateful, Big Smart offered friendship. Jerry, fearing the future, packed up and left. He left a note on the door. Do you know what the note said?